Mumbai Airport among the 10 best in 2025. Here's who else.
Istanbul Airport, Turkey. The Istanbul International Airport has topped the list for its modern infrastructure and seamless operations. It has secured a score of 98.57 with bright and spacious design which offers enhanced global connectivity.
Singapore Changi Airport, Singapore. This has secured the second position on the list with a score of 95.20. Renowned for its stunning amenities like the indoor waterfall and lush gardens, it consistently provides an exceptional passenger experience.
Hamad International Airport, Doha. Featuring state-of-the-art facilities, luxurious lounges and diverse dining, this airport has secured the third position on the list. With a score of 92.34, Hamad Airport enhances comfort and efficiency.
Zayed International Airport, Abu Dhabi. At the fourth position is Abu Dhabi's Zayed International Airport. It is praised for its contemporary design and comprehensive amenities that has helped it to secure 89.48.
Dubai International Airport, UAE. A major global hub known for its extensive shopping, dining options, and efficient transit capabilities, it makes this the fifth best international airport in the world. It has secured an 88.38.
Hong Kong International Airport, China. With a score of 86.22 points, Hong Kong International Airport has secured the sixth position on the list. It is valued for its efficient operations, diverse retail, and overall passenger convenience in a bustling metropolis.
Helsinki-Vantaa Airport, Finland. This airport is appreciated for its compact size, clear navigation, and emphasis on passenger comfort and ease of travel. This time, it has secured the seventh position with a score of 86.18.
Haneda Airport, Tokyo, Japan. Recognized for its exceptional cleanliness, efficiency, and array of dining and shopping, which offers a top-tier Japanese experience, this airport has secured the eighth position on the list with a score of 84.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, Mumbai. Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport has also made it to the list with a score of 84.23. This is noted for its vibrant design and excellent customer experience, making it a prominent hub in South Asia.
Incheon International Airport, South Korea. This Korean airport has secured the 10th position on the list with a score of 83.67. It is celebrated for its outstanding service, extensive amenities, and efficient processes, providing a highly comfortable transit.
10 busiest airports across the globe.